2 years ago today, I talked to my now wife for the first time ever. I remember that moment because it was a starting point of a great relationship. Lots of things have starting points. Whether it's a career, whether it's having a first kid, all of these things are starting points in our lives. But we may not think about it, faith has a starting point too. Whether you grew up in church, whether your parents talked about it all the time, maybe you never heard about faith. Maybe faith was an abstract idea for you and you're a young adult or you're a middle-aged person and you haven't given faith a lot of thought. Well, I want to invite you to join us for an 8-week study called Starting Point. If you have questions about who is Jesus, what is Christianity, what is faith all about, if you would consider yourself a seeker or a returner or a starter, someone who's exploring faith for the first time, we want you to join us.